There's the mighty sergeant right there.
Welcome back, Cedars.
A little close there. All right, you want to take him out there and show him what's going on?
You know, we all have a lot of collateral duty assignments here at the sheriff's office. And one of mine is I'm the supervisor in charge of the dive team. Been a diver for about 15 years. We're at Lake Owasso here beach. We are running some search patterns. One of the things that we do potentially is look for evidence. And we had defined an area here. We threw some fake guns we have in, and the guys ran a search pattern. And gals, because Alicia's here too, sorry. They're all done with that, so you can see you might see them at the surface here. They're all swimming in. They went out and hit a deep spot out here at Lake Owasso here. I got volunteer Carl Oldings out in the Zodiac. He's manning the show out there. And I'll be honest with you, they're going to come up here, but I'm not going to, it's hard to tell who's who because all our gear is the same. But I got Sergeant Darren Turk, Deputy Josh Zhang, Water Patrol Deputy Bryce Takamoto, and my replacement, the crime prevention deputy, when I got promoted, is Alicia Olette. So you can see them kind of surfacing out there. They're all coming in right now after finishing off their dive. There's about 15 of us on the dive team. We got volunteers, correctional officers, and of course our sworn staff. So we kind of set up a little command post here. We're working. Of course, I'm sure you heard Deputy Kill and Deputy Siegelstrom got into something in Maplewood and assisted them. Caught one of our notorious bad guys. So I ran over there to make sure everything was okay. But our pride and joy, donated by our sheriff's foundation, is our new dive truck. And I've been doing sheriff's office for 26 years. There's Mike Thompson, one of our volunteers. So a couple years ago we upgraded, got ourselves a new trailer through lots of donations and time spent. Enables us to respond quickly and efficiently, keeps all our gear organized and set up. So I'll give you a quick tour as we go through. And the light adjusts. So we got room for about 12 divers in here. We can probably make it work for a little more. So you can see it's a little dirty today because we've been in and out of it with it. Pretty self-contained. All our gear's in here. Anything we're going to use for doing searches. And we're based out of Water Patrol, so we work hand in hand with our Water Patrol deputies. So it's nice to give you a view of the other things we do with the sheriff's office. Again, we all have these collateral duty assignments, and they can include being a crime scene tech or SWAT, K9, honor guard. I'm probably missing a few in there. I don't know where did our illustrious investigators go? They ditched me all of a sudden here. We'll do the other side here. Bryce's truck. Bryce is one of our Water Patrol guys on the dive team, and also one of our drone operators. So it works hand in hand because if we're out in the water, we need something that we always usually call a drone too. There they are coming out of the water. Should we introduce them?
I mean, it's up to you. I don't think this group would be camera shot.
No. There's Bryce right now.
Oh.
Live on patrol.
Oh yeah.
I think we're good there. We've got Josh coming out of the water. Say hi, Josh.
What's up?
One of our new divers.
Let, man.
There's Carl holding. And Darren hasn't taken his mask off, but that's Darren Turk. And last but not least, Alicia Olette. If you were at Hot Dog with a Deputy yesterday, she was there. Oh. How we doing?
Did you say you want a hug?
No. No. So she's all full. Yeah, no. Oh. Well, thanks Live on Patrol for joining us for training. I'll hand it back over to our fine cat guys and see if
Joe Kill.
they can't go find something to do today.
Thanks, guys.
Thanks, guys.
Yeah.
All right. We're going to look at the ground. I don't know if everybody enjoying their beach day wants to be shown. But, yeah, we figured we'd show you what they respond to water calls throughout the county. You guys always hear about the jumpers. You know, those are the guys responding with Water Patrol and St. Paul fires. So, very specific job. A lot of training, I know, goes into it. And you better like water. So, kind of cool. Catch them on a training day. Looks like you.
Try to get you back.